Welcome to today's Asian session. Yes, let's clear all the zones and just let's prepare new ones. So this is the status of the account. So I am now deleting all the pending orders. We are around $1780 in profit. We had some stop losses later, but even though we are in a good position. So now let's mark for today's sessions. Okay, so now we have these 4 labels. So yes, in 1 minute the trend looks bearish. Even in the 15-minute, it looks bearish. Let's see if the candle has closed below this, and yes, the candle has closed below this. So now it's like a POS, new breakout picture, but yet there has not been any inducement, but yes, we can say. Okay. So now let's see if there's anything. Okay. Okay, so out of the two, this lower level can be the best level for buying. But obviously we will be placing orders on both the levels. So let's mark the entries and then place the entries. 15.353. So it's a 1:7.61 trade. This is 1:12 trade. Okay, so I will place these orders first. Let me place it. So this is the first order. And place these two buy orders. So you can see this. I have placed the two buy orders here. At these levels. And now let's see these sell levels. $17.957. Okay. So these will be two sell limits I will be placing now. So let me place it. Okay, so place these two sell limit orders too. So here are the four orders. Now I'll be waiting for price to come to our levels and then our entry will be done. Till that time, no trade, no any hurry. Let's see if we get any other small trades which are small risk. So here as we can see, this is a bearish momentum. Here I see that there is an effigy over here. It is between this region. So yes, here too we can have a small risk. If you wish to. 77.360. This should be a small risk trade, okay, because we are trading in between. Just because here it's the midnight opening somewhere here, and price is below it and sustaining below this midnight open. And also we find an FVG here, and it is in the premium zone and in between the 0.7 and 1 level. So I feel that there is a chance that price may come to this level. It may come to this level and then it may fall. And then we may get this entry. So on. So this is what I am expecting for now. So yes, I am thinking to place a small order over here. Let's say I will take in 2 trades here and in between this somewhere. I will take just a small risk. So let's see if this will give us a good entry. So this is what I am expecting for now. And based on the other 4 zones, this entry may get activated either during the London session or just before the London session. Okay, that is something around 11:30, 12. These entries may get activated. Okay, so these are our entries. So I've placed almost 6 orders. This entry will be with a small risk, which I feel may give us a good TP2. Let's see. Here also I will do one thing, like first the entry is here. Another entry I will place here. I have placed here. And if it takes a stop loss and again if it keeps on falling, then again I will place a sell limit, sell stop here over here. So these are the 3 entries that I will be taking. Let's see how it goes. Yes, and the first entry has triggered, and you can see here, entry is triggered. I have taken a small risk in this trade, just around $73 risk. So as per our rule, if we see a profit of 146 something, we will book partial. And I would like if it would go till here and sweep this midnight high and then just fall. So that our another entry will also get activated at that time. And then we may get good profit. Let's see. It's a risk trade, like I said. Don't risk much. You can risk good for these four levels. But here it's like I feel there can be a fall from here. So these two entries are being activated. Not much risk. Combining both, it will be around $110 or something. 73 in first and 36. Yeah, overall risk is $110. If both the trade lose, then we will lose $110. But if we win, we will get a huge profit. So I will book partial if I see a running profit of $220. As we have reached 110, so if we see 220 coming, then we will book partial. So let's see how it goes. Okay, and if this gives a stop loss, and if it falls again, then I will again re-enter at this price. Looks like our stop loss is about to go. If it falls somewhere over here. Yeah, let's So let's see if this gives $220 profit, then we'll book the partials. Yeah, that's a good thing that it has skipped this previous midnight high. Today's midnight high, as per the New York midnight. And now just we want price to close below this, below the entry point. If it closes below, then most probably we will get a good reward. Okay, so we already entered. So just let's wait for 4 more minutes. Either this will give a stop loss or a TP. I told you the exit plan. If I see the running profit is double the risk, then I will book partial. Otherwise, I will keep it running. Let's see, we want a closing below this FVG. Then we may see a good fall. Okay, so it's 10:30 now. So let's sign off. I'll be back again at 12:30 p.m. and we will mark another 4 levels at 12:59. So let's see whether this trade will give us a profit or we will book a stop loss. Okay, so let's see. So see you at 12:30 and I will share the result of this trade at that time. Looks like this will hit a stop loss. If it closes below this FVG, then there is a high chance that we will get full TP. But currently it looks like it is near to the stop loss, so this may hit our stop loss. But no issues. Like I said, this is not a good trade or the trade that we are waiting. We are waiting mostly for these trades. Okay. So that's it for today. For now, see you at 12:30 p.m. for the London moves.